Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1145, and today's topic is the application of artificial intelligence tools in future in smart cities, smart restaurant, smart music, smart social media. So I have already told you that once we are using the word smart, it means we are using artificial intelligence, different type of technologies, and we also call them tools and applications. So here today I am going to discuss about the emerging new type of cities in the world, and they are called as smart cities. So smart cities means there lot of applications of artificial intelligence tools are there. And here let me share my this experience. The students should know that what I am discussing nowadays is the technologies of artificial intelligence which are used in everyday life, every moment, every day. So I want to make them to understand, to know that already artificial intelligence applications, their technologies, their tools are in action. We are left behind here in Africa, and more especially in Maiduguri or northern part of Nigeria. In many places we have created smart cities, smart schools, smart hospitals, smart universities, smart home. And I have already discussed about the smart home. So once I am talking of smart cities, means I have already gave you the hint that first thing is that everything will be monitored by database, and all the programming will be done. They will monitor the pollution, they will monitor the movement of population, and everything will be systematic. Even they will monitor the theft and corruption in the cities. They will monitor the baby boom. They will monitor the hospitals. I mean to say, every part of the city will be under artificial intelligence technologies and tools. And here I want to give some of my personal experience, how it is working. I used to visit sometimes in Western countries, New York and other places. So last year I was in New York. My daughter and my son, they are doctor there in New York City. So I just visited one shopping center. So when I went inside, I found that everything is under robotic control. Robots are taking care. Payment and everything is automatic. So when I was moving, I found that behind me, one robot is moving. So first I noticed, second I noticed, then I asked my daughter that I have seen that one of the humanoid, those robots they are called humanoid, is following me. What is the reason? Then she smiled, my daughter, because she is living there, she is familiar with all these artificial intelligence applications and their new technologies. She told me that, Papa, it is because your facial recognition. I said, what do you mean by facial recognition? She said that here in this store or marketplace, that robot which is providing security is programmed on the basis of data, and that data is given that these are all 90% population or the people are white, in skin color, blue eye and all this, or some others are black. So it is given like that. But if someone is coming who is neither white nor black, so he is totally recognizing and collecting the data that in case if anything goes wrong, your full detail will be there. That is the meaning of smart market. Then payment. There's nothing like somebody sitting and then you are paying and arguing and talking. Nothing like that. Just you go and touch your card and everything is deducted and you go out. That's all. And not only that, once a smart city is created, all the population of that city will be taken care. All the houses will be smart houses. For example, now in India, those people who are physically challenged, like somebody who is blind. So blind man cannot go and take care of everything in the house. So Alexa is there, artificial robot. And that Alexa is taking care of everything as an assistant, virtual assistant in their houses. So that blind man, once he will call Alexa, put on the light, there will be light. He will call Alexa, put on the fan. All the order she is going to follow. And also, there will be such type of nursing homes or old age homes where 90% people are aged, they are crippled, they are on wheelchair. Nurses will be there. Robot. And those robot nurses, they are taking care of those senior citizens. And you will be surprised to know, let me give the example. I went through one magazine just last week. It is reported there that in Japan, today, they are facing serious challenge of old age home, who is going to take care well-being of those age population. Because in Japan, the old age population has overtaken. The baby boom of 60s is defeated. The girls, they don't want to carry pregnancy. They are too busy, too smart. So people are not there to take care of the senior citizen above the age of 70, 80, 90. So now in smart cities, smart homes are created. These all taken care by Alexa or all type of humanoid robotics. And data was given that in Japan, they need 500,000 robotic nurses who can take care of old age people. Maybe after 2 years' time, it is 2023. And other case, I'm reporting of Italy. In Italy, from January, February, March, April, for 4 months, no more baby. Babies are not born. Because the reason is given that the baby boom population, those population which are responsible of producing the babies, have gone down drastically. I mean, in the age group of 18 to 40. And those girls, young girls who are capable of giving birth to infant, they are not ready. They don't want to marry. They don't want to go for such type of pain of labor pain or carrying baby. And more than 60% population in Italy, they are from 48 to 90. So again, there is lot of demand of new applications of artificial intelligence technologies. So the application of all the technologies, that also artificial technology of the things. Of the things means in watches, in refrigerator, in houses, everywhere. Whatever things are there, there is application of artificial technologies. So these are all very, very important uses today in everyday life, in refrigeration, in your machine, washing machine, cooking, I mean every part of the life. And that's why I wish that in Nigeria also, Most of the big cities, they are converted into smart cities to reduce the corruption, to reduce the stealing, to reduce all the crime, criminal activities, kidnapping, killing, because it will be monitored. And there will be no room to escape, to run away from any type of corruption and killing and crime. So technology, artificial intelligence of the things, new applications in smart cities, they are going to take care of everything. In smart cities now, where they are using, that is self-driving car, 90% accidents are over, are not taking place. 90%. Because it is all very with high precision. It's calculated all by deep learning. Those cars, they are monitored by artificial intelligence tool. And they are following all the route, everything, whatever is command is given. 90% accident rate is reduced. Also, 70% time is saved with the smart, that is traffic light, red and green, because it is monitored in such a way so that you are not going to wait for long whenever there is crossing light. So you are reaching your office, your place of work or industries where 30% times are, we can say, saved. So these are all benefits we are getting out of all these artificial intelligence technologies and their applications in smart cities. It is all based on data, data processing, data management, data purification. Everything is having data. If you can collect the data and if you can process it, you will be having all the information. And now in a restaurant in India, it is all under AI. Many of the restaurants, just sit on your table, already that screen is there. Table itself is just like laptop. You touch your finger that you want soya, you want jollof rice, you want coke, give the order there just by touching. Alexa is bringing all these items to your place with thanks. That's all. You take and come out. So these are all very, very, important things. And one thing which is very much needed here to make everybody disciplined and honest. No human being is honest. Nobody is disciplined. It is technology which is making. For example, India, I was traveling just last month. I asked driver to accelerate, increase the speed. He said, no sir, I cannot do. I said, why? You have only 90 kilometer per hour. Make it 110, 120 so that we can reach quickly. He said, no sir, we are monitored. I said, how? There is nothing, all forest, everything. They said, no sir, by satellite. If I am accelerating, automatically in my phone immediately, the fine will come. Indian currency 100 naira, 200 naira. So nobody is there to ask a question. Everything is automatic. In smart cities, whatever crime you are committing, you are not free. Whether you are driver, whether you are criminal, whether you are killer, whether you are committing financial crime. This digital technology is catching everybody. So that's why I wish that in Nigeria also, they are adopting these artificial intelligence, new technologies, creating new cities, new towns, new homes, taking care of their aged population, those who are fiscally challenged. Sometimes here in Africa and Asia, especially in Africa, they are saying that no sir, these are all Western things. We have lot of population. No, it's wrong concept. Your population should be smart and skilled. With today's technology, they should not be unskilled. So in that case, rather than to escape all the new technologies to accept, you are escaping. In India, biometric is there in every institution. If suppose we are going there and if we are late or we are not productive, your salary 10%, 20% salary is deducted. You are not productive. If you are absent, your salary is not paid. And nobody is going to question or to fight with their director or head of department or head unit or dean or vice chancellor. Because everything is automatically monitored. You are paid for your work. No work, no pay. Talk less, work more. Stop gossiping. Be smart. So these are all new technologies are keeping all of us smart human being supported by, I call them humanoids. Humanoids are virtual robotics with lot of data to do all the work. Let me show you the smart city. Here I am showing just one photo of smart city, and all the infrastructures are shown that smart environment, smart hospital, smart universities, pollution free, all the roads are under artificial intelligence applications and their new technologies and tools. So this is the best example of smart city infrastructure, and we need such type of smart cities where everything is working and everything is disciplined, and it is the technology which is making everybody smart. It is the technology which is making everybody honest. It is the technology which is making everybody gentle, because naturally the natural instinct of human being that we are corrupt, we are dishonest, we are indisciplined. It is only technology will make you a good human being. So here these devices and technology of artificial intelligence, what I have given is everyday life use, and we are using in advanced countries. So number one, AI technologies can track and evaluate the energy used in their cities, companies and industries. First thing is that it will monitor, and it with the help of data, very clear picture will be there that how much energy who are using and what is the demand, and in future how we can manage our energy demand in cities or in rural area with alternate source of energy by decarbonization of our cities, means where greenhouse gases are not produced, by making use of solar panel, solar energies and some other green energies like green hydrogen or batteries or electric cars. Lot of alternative will be there, and artificial intelligence database will be advising in smart cities. Information on renewable use of energy generation to reduce greenhouse and control air pollution. The artificial intelligence and Internet of Things, that is IoT. IoT means Internet of Things. Internet of Things means all lot of devices are put in your watches, in your ring, everywhere. That is called Internet of Things, and monitored by artificial intelligence on the forefront of the transformation of any small towns like Bama, Gwaza. I have given, since I am in Maiduguri, the capital of Borno State, Nigeria. That's why I am giving the small town their name, like Bama, Gwaza, Kanduga, or any other one. So maybe that is Bama, Kanduga, Gwaza, and view like that into smart towns. We can convert them into smart towns by use of artificial intelligence technologies. Number two, by connecting different artificial intelligence devices and infrastructure, artificial intelligence tools and Internet of Things can make remote town, we call them bush here in Nigeria, very remote town near Banki border, we call them bush, into smart bush by process of huge data, and these small towns will not be deficient in data. Now it is a new term. Any city, when we are talking of smartness, of artificial intelligence, technologies, applications, we should know that city is useless. Why? It is very much deficient in data. It means in that city, in that town, it is not smart because it is deficient in data. Just like any city which is not having enough electricity, means it is deficient in generation of energy, electricity. So any city which is left behind, very old, very dirty, backward, means that town, that bush, that city is very much deficient in data. People are not there to process and purify the data. Everything is done by data. And all these activities, what I have told you and what I am discussing, is all taken care by data scientists. They are known as data scientists. Data scientists nowadays are far superior than any scientist. Data engineers, data managers. So all these people are there to take care of cities and towns. So by connecting to infrastructure that is in bush and smart by processing of huge data, and these small towns will not be deficient in data. Artificial intelligence, new technologies can collect and purify, analyze crude data. We call them crude data because unless we purify, we cannot apply from vast array of municipal services to address various issues, including traffic congestion that I have already told you, and also to catch criminals, bloody criminals, killers, kidnappers. They cannot escape because of the facial recognition activities. Number 3, today artificial intelligence technologies take old sleeping cities to next level by allowing them to use data and knowledge. If our cities are old and sleeping and dull and easy going, please stop it. Enough is enough. Become smart with the help of data, with the help of knowledge, and join the international community on international platform. Don't be sleepy city. Knowledge to add decision making. India is trying to have 40% smart cities by 2025. This is their objective and aim, to convert at least 40%, 35%, 38% cities into smart cities by 2025. Number 4, facial recognition by artificial intelligence technology is facial recognition is going to really do magic in coming years. Now, for example, today we are going to bank, ATM machine. We are checking our card. Sometimes we have forgotten our ATM card, that is a smart card, and even if we are putting, sometimes we are forgetting our PIN code, and even it is not working, and sometimes your bank is not having any response. All things will be over. It's already getting over because of facial recognition. You go to facial recognition supervised by artificial intelligence, immediately Alexa will call, "You are welcome, sir." The moment you will go in front of that machine, your face will be recognized because data is there of your face, facial recognition data. "Okay, welcome, Professor Khan. What can I do for you?" Then I will ask the question, "I want to withdraw the money. How much I can withdraw?" Alexa will reply from the machine by learning and deep learning. "Sir, you can only draw 20,000 naira at a time." "Okay, please, Alexa, I want to draw 20,000. "Okay, sir, you will get your money. It will be paid to you. You come to your house." That's all, over. And your password will be your passport. At airport, lot of drama going here and there, immigration people, all, nothing. Whether your passport is duplicate or original, all will be over. That will be your artificial intelligence covered electronic passport. The moment you go there at airport, buy your passport, you okay, go. It's clear. If there is anything wrong, you are stopped. No, no more drama, no more crowd, no more pulling and pushing. Will be over. That is AI technology. AI technology, that is a robot, will not allow any criminal to go free after committing any crime. So number 5, I have already discussed these points, but I am just writing. I am giving in writing so that the students can make the note and they can read it. Number 5, now many countries in the world, in especially mega cities, are having enough carriers for senior citizens. Very, very new type. That's why I have mentioned that artificial intelligence technologies are going to create more and more jobs, more and more new type of jobs, like the career in to help senior citizens, handicapped, physically challenged people. So it's a new type of job, and in millions it is coming. In the form of nurse, in the form of Alexa, robot, so many assistants are coming, virtual assistants. So having enough careers for senior citizens, aging population, more especially in the countries where baby boom generation population, I call it those populations young from the age of 18 up to 46 or 45, they are known as baby boom generation. They are reducing, they are declining. Generation reach their elderly age, that is above 47 years, and it is non-productive age. It is not baby boom generating age. And here this shortage is predicted to be more pronounced. Lot of shortage we are expecting in future, especially in lot of European and Western countries. Number 6, AI technologies, devices are developed to step in and make up for shortfall. For example, Japanese government in particular are working on increasing acceptance of artificial intelligence devices, filling in for human nursing. And that human nursing they are going to replace by humanoid nursing. Humanoid nursing means robot, virtual, machine, with artificial intelligence. Such type of humans are called humanoid, those which are not natural. So those humans, they are going to change into humanoid, and that is humanoid robot nursing and caretaking and caregiving for such type of job roles. Japanese are facing today, as given in 2023 publications, predicted 500,000 shortage of nurses and caregivers by 2025 to support, to take care of their aging population, because in Japan more than 60% people are aged now, and we have to take care of them. So we need 500,000 either human nurses or humanoid robotics to take care of them by 2025. So today, artificial intelligence developers are focusing their attention of everyday applications of AI devices in big cities, how to take care of aging population. So with this I will stop today, and again in the next lecture I am going to discuss some more new technologies of artificial intelligence, and these are all today's use, everyday use technologies, and that those technologies of artificial intelligence I am discussing, so that all the students, young generation, should be aware of all these technologies, because here most of the people, they are not aware of lot of these today's technology, and they are in action, they are in use. So once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.